Article 14, aggravating circumstances. Number 1, that advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Number 2, that a crime be committed in contempt or with insult to the public authorities. Number 3, that the act be committed with insult or in disregard of disrespect due of the offended party with account of his rank, age, sex, that is be committed in the dwelling of the offended party. The offended party. Number 4, that the act be committed with abuse of confidence or obvious ungratefulness. Number 5, that the crime be committed in the palace of the chief executive or in his presence, or where in the public authorities would engage with disregard of these duties, or in this place dedicated in the religious dedicated. Number 6, that the crime be committed in the night time or in an inhabited place or by the band may facilitate the commission of the offense whenever more than 3 armed malefactors shall be active together of the commission of the offense. It shall be deemed by the band that. Number 7, that the crime be committed on the occasion conflagration, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. Number 8, that the crime be committed with the aid of armed men of person to ensure or to afford impunity. Number 9, that the accused is recidivist. A recidivist is one who at the time of his trial for one crime shall have been previously convicted by the final judgment of the another crime embrace that the same title of this code. Number 10, that the offender has been previously punished by the offense attaches an equal or greater penalty or 2 or more crimes to which attaches with a lighter penalty. Number 11, that the crime be committed in consideration of price, reward, or promise. Number 12, that the crime be committed by means of inundation, fire, poison, explosion, stranding of vessel, or in international damage to derailment of local locomotive by the use of the other artifice involving great waste and ruin. Number 13, that the act be committed with evident premeditation. Number 14, that the craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. Number 15, that the advantage be taken of his superior strength or means be employed or weaken the defense. Number 16, that the act be committed with treachery or alevosía. There is treachery when the offender commits of any of the crimes employing means methods, or forms in the execution of which tend directly, especially to ensure the execution without risk for himself, arising the defense, what may make. Number 17, that means be employed circumstances brought about which add ignominy to the natural effect of this act. Number 18, that the crime be committed after the unlawful entry. There is unlawful entry when an entrance of a crime, wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. Number 20, that the crime be committed with the aid of person under 15 years of age or by means of motor vehicles, motorized motorcraft, airship, or other similar means. 21, that the wrong done in the commission of the crime be deliberately committed by causing other wrong not necessary for its commissions.